Hello everyone, this time I'm going to show you an interesting video about unique Balinese culture. In today's video I'll take you down to see a Hindu ceremony in Bali where the purpose of the ceremony is to purify the baby from bad influences. And also according to the Balinese, he knew that the baby at the age of the 3 months, baby will experience important processes in their life such as knowing the 5 senses. So, this ceremony is better known as the 3 months baby ceremony, and now we are going to look at every single ritual in this ceremony. At this time, the ceremony is led by 2 Hindu priests, followed by the holy songs, and also the unique Balinese gamelans that is called in there, and also accompanying this ceremony. Meanwhile, this ceremony is centralized at the house temple with the beautiful Balinese decorations and also the Balinese offerings. As you know, that every single offering has a purpose and also a special meaning. This ceremony is starting from some rituals that is held in the main temple area and also the outside, including to the houses where the baby stay in and also their family. Look at the videos that see some women bring the offerings to the outside of temple area and also the houses where the baby stay in. And now we're looking at the ceremony has been started to the babies. On this process, the family brings the baby outside to the temple area for taking a bath. And of course, this process will take the baby for bathing with the holy water. In this ritual, baby is introduced to the world of water. this process, the baby is put into a pottery pot filled with water and gold. This ritual aims to make the baby always have a fortune in his future life. After going through a sacred bathing ritual process, the baby is put on a new dresses because he will continue the next ritual process. After taking a bath, the baby looks fresh and he is ready to continue the next ritual. See, he has back to the main temple area and the next process will begin. The Hindu priest cut the baby's hair with the aims to cleaning the baby's head from the dirt and fostering the positive truth. In the process of this ritual, all families donate their money to support the life of the baby in the future. This process is the essence of the baby's 3-month ceremony by tying the head of the baby and his parents with alang-alang leaves. This ritual cleanses all baby's influences on the babies and the baby is ready to live with the new life. To finalize the rituals at the main temple area, all family, including babies, worshipping to the god and also to the ancestors. And the next process of ritual is moved to the Bali buildings, where the Bali building is commonly used for the human ceremony. This Bali building also decorated by the Balinese decorations and also the Balinese offering, so it looks beautiful. Now, the parents put the baby on the baby swing cribs. This is the traditional baby swing cribs in Bali. But nowadays, this baby swing crib is not commonly used in Bali. In this ceremony also illustrated that the baby is following the third process in his life. Baby sells their things while the family buy them. After finishing the rituals at the house, now they move to the outside of the house area to complete this process of the ceremony. Well, so everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button below. You will get the update video from me. Thank you and goodbye.